We are taught to build our lives entirely on external metrics, better metrics, faster results, relentless output. But when you spend your whole life building outward, what happens to the architecture on the inside? The mind clutters, the stress hardens, you become reactive to everything around you. True mastership is not about escaping the world, it's about creating an external environment so deeply anchored that the external world cannot shake it. Demands everything you have. That is your breaking point. But here is the secret, your breaking point isn't where you crack, it's where you shed the excessive weight. It's where you burn away the doubts, the fatigue, and the hesitation. Breathe into the fire on the burn. Continuous negotiation with gravity. It requires total presence. You cannot think about yesterday and you cannot plan for tomorrow. When you are balancing your entire world on a single focal point, when you flip your perspective upside down, the old rules disappear. You realize that limitations are just illusions you agree to believe. You are not just moving a body. Limitations are just illusions you agree to believe. You are not just moving a body. Training an unyielding will. But force without promise just noise. Real growth requires the humility to be adjusted, the patience to fix the minor angles, the discipline to perfect the foundation before you ever try to build higher. It's the subtle it's the invisible changes that makes a structure unbreakable. And finally, the storm passes, the smoke clears, and you are left with pure clarity. The strength you were fighting to find outside was actually sitting quietly